What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to keep up on what's going on with this beautiful 2017 Ford Focus RS. Don't forget to go ahead and check out the first link in the description below to check out my clothing line on Teespring. Use code STEALTHY15 for 15% off, good until the end of 2019. So in the last video, I began taking apart the engine on the RS. I have half the wiring harness down, all the fluids drained except for the transmission. The intake's off. I got a couple of other things done as well. And today, well, I'm gonna try to get everything done and ready for tomorrow to remove the engine. I still have to get a cherry picker, but that's no big deal. Tomorrow I'll pick one up and assemble it and then pull the block at the front. So that's the plan. I'm not promising that's going to get done. We still have to disconnect the drive shaft, remove the axles, take out the downpipe, finish the wiring harness, and then once the engine's out, of course, we have to take off the transmission, the PTU, the turbo, then transport it to the machine shop, and yeah, let's get going. Alright guys, we took the hood off real quick. It's literally 4 bolts. You guys can figure it out. I don't need to show you guys how to do it. We're going to start taking off the downpipe, at least disconnect it from the top, then we're going to get on the bottom, drain the fluid from the tranny, take the bumper off, and we'll see what we're going to do from there. We're just going to start tackling it. Alright guys, a little bit of an update. We got the downpipe bolts off, and now it's time to take the oil filter off because I never got that done last night. Then drain the transmission fluid. I guess I got to find my Allen wrenches. I might have to go back to Home Depot. Alright, so one thing that we did pick up to make this job a lot faster, we picked up a Milwaukee Impact. It's a purchase that will make things faster in the future as well. So not only for this project, for others as well. Let's get it. Makes things so much easier. Alright, so I'm going to get the other wheel off right now. He's going to start taking the oil filter off. And once we get the other wheel off, we'll check to see if I have the right size Allen wrench. I believe I do. If not, we're going to make a trip to Home Depot, get a set of Allens. Yet again, another expense. Alright guys, we are removing the bumper. All the bolts are already off. Sorry for the fire department. They're right down the street. Just got to take the bolts off on the passenger side in the fender well. Alright, dude, it's coming right now. Oh shit. I got the dials down, so they're a little longer. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, the bumper is off. And in case you guys don't know, the bumper fits in the back. Good? Yep. Just like that. Alright, so we are deep in here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but somewhere in there we're about to start draining some fluid. They're torqued on there pretty good sometimes. That shit's cooked. So splash all the way to the shortest bolt in the world, yet the longest. Coming to the end. The end is near. Well, there should be no fluid. There it is.
Why does it look white, clear?
Because I put that good shit in there. Alright guys, so the intercooler is now off. Alright guys, we got the downpipe coming out right now as we speak. Procedure. I got the CPE kit down here, so my blow-off valve is down here. I got the Tial 50mm, beautiful piece. Definitely recommend it. Alright guys, a little bit of an update. We got the passenger side axle out. That is the hardest axle to take out. We're about to remove the driver's side here in just a minute. And we're actually reassembling the hub. so we can put a wheel back on it, roll it around as we need to. That way there, it's not sitting on jack stands for, you know, up to a week while the engine gets repaired. All right, guys, a little bit of an update. I'm going to start removing the rear motor mount, take this brace off, disconnect the drive shaft, pull the downpipe right now. Downpipe's right here. Drive shaft is in here, connected to the PTU. There's the drive shaft. So we're going to pull that, and pretty much everything will be done from down here, I believe. Then we're going to start pulling the front and probably finish the electrical in the morning, because we'll be able to see better, and then pull the engine from the front. All right, guys, this is where we have concluded for the night. Everything is taken off of the car pretty much. Got a couple of electrical connections left. Wheels are back on. As you see, everything on the bottom is disconnected. I got a fuel line to disconnect still. I'll do that in the morning. Got the front end to take apart. Radiator. Move the AC condenser to the side. Disconnect all of the hoses from the coolant reservoir, and remove the starter, the manifold, the clutch, transmission, of course, and the turbo, the PTU. And that's pretty much a wrap. All right, you guys, I am calling it for the night. I'm picking up all my tools currently. The car is back lowered on the ground. As you see, everything is pretty much done. I got a couple of electrical connections. Take apart the front. I still need to take the radiator on. I'm probably going to keep the AC condenser on the car. Take the radiator out, disconnect all the hoses from the block. Finish the electrical. And then there's only a few bolts and the block is out. And disconnect one gas line. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole procedure. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.
Yeah, boy.